Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make your Opera GX look better. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, of course, you need to open up Opera GX, and then you need to go to the settings tab that is on the left side. Then here you should see the first option, you should see theme. So we can change whatever theme that is available here. You can change light and dark mode. You can change colors, do a bunch of different things here as well. And then you can select use custom wallpapers, and you can make a wallpaper as a default thing here. As you can see here, you can change it if you want to. You can change the animation type. You can change GX lights. As you can see here, it will be a few different ones. And then you can change browser sounds. You can add background music and add widgets and more. So basically everything you will find it here under the settings. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.